Congratulations for online class. I hope you are well. I am also fine. I think at this moment you stay in your home for COVID-19. You know, COVID-19 is very dangerous and harmful for every person. Already, a huge number of people has affected by this virus. You know, nearest by nearest 10 lakhs people has died in the world. In our country, moreover, 5,000 people has died. So I advised you, you stay in your home, you do not get out from your house. If you get out from your house, I advised you that you wear masks. Students, this day I discuss with you about English first paper, Unit 3, Lesson 1. At first I asked some focus question. You will try to answer to this question. Have you got any events or any game? Have you won the game or have you got any prize? If you got any prize, I think those time you are very enjoyable. Dear student, this day I discuss with you about the same story, the prize giving day at school. The prize giving day at school. First we know the word meaning or English to English. Words synonyms word eminent, famous. Eminent means famous. Neatly means tidily. Display means exhibit. Okay, students. Uh, Another word, brightly, means sunny. sunny, sunny. Dear students, I describe the story. You listen to the story silently. After my dialogue, you try to answer the question or choose the best answer for this or from this story. The prize giving day, Farabi is the best friends Flora. They were live in class. They were they live in the same area. They read in class 7, but they go to a different school. The school closed day. Flora has come to visit Farabi. They were talking the prize giving day of Farabi's school. Farabi told to Flora, yesterday was the prize giving day of our school. The function day, our school auditorium and its days were decorated. The prices has displayed on the separate table on its days. All the students present this function. Among the others, the guardians and some eminent person attend this function. The principal of PN College was the chief guest. At 4 p.m. the function was started. At first, our headmaster read out the annual report of our school. Then the chief guest gave a short speech. He praised the overall performance of our school and its excellent GSC and SSC exam result. Then he gave away the prizes among the students for their outstanding activities. I have got 2 prizes, only one for regular attendance and other for the good results the last annual exam. Dear students, I think you listen to my dialogue. Now I want to discuss with you the about the choose or about choose the best answer. About choose the best answer. Number 1. Who is one of the words has a who is one of the following words has a similar who is one of the following words following words has a similar similar has a similar word of neatly, neatly, neatly. Number one, clearly, clearly, tidily, tidily. Number three, colorfully, 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 colorfully or tightly. Number four, tightly, tightly, tightly. Which one of the following words has a similar word of neatly? Neatly means clearly, tidily or colorfully or tightly. Neatly means tidily. Tidily. Neatly means tidily. So it is correct answer tidily. Another number, WHICH, which one of the following words has a similar word of sunny, brightly, brightly. Number one, gloomy, gloomy. Number two, brilliantly, brilliantly. Number three, coldly. Number four, sunny, sunny. You know the similar word brightly, gloomy, brilliantly, coldly or sunny. Uh, it is correct answer sunny. Sunny is the correct answer. Students, you will try to answer the question I discuss with you at this moment about the answering question, this same story. Answer the question. Questions. Number one, WHO, who was the best friend, of Flora. Number two, where did they live? Number 3, who was the who was the chief who was the chief guest who was the chief guest who was the chief guest you listen to the dialogue and you know who was the best friends. The Flora's best friends was Farabi. Another question, where did they live? They live in the same area. Last question, who was the chief guest? The chief guest was the PN college. The principal of the PN college was the chief guest. All question was all question is the past indefinite tense. Dear students, this day I shall try to discuss with you about the prize giving day. About the prize giving day. At first, I discuss with you about the word meaning or English to English or words or synonyms. Second time, I discuss with you about the chose the best answer, chose the best answer, and last time I discussed with you about answering the question. I think all students you understand my class. I will try to uh, I I shall try to teach you about this text. Uh, Again, I remind you. You stay in your home. Uh, you do not get out from your house. After sometimes or sometimes you wash your hands or mouth. Thank you. Goodbye.